Sharpen less, turn more. The Tormek TNT sharpening system makes it possible. You just touch and turn. Your gouges and skews are sharpened in 4 easy steps. Fix the tool in the jig. Position the universal support. Make a few passes across the grindstone. Then polish the bevel on the flat honing wheel. And remove the burr on the profiled leather honing wheel. Your turning tools will cut more cleanly and stay sharp longer than you ever thought possible. The TNT system can sharpen all of your turning tools, but the most challenging tools are now sharpened perfectly in a fraction of the time previously needed. Fingernail shapes on bowl and spindle gouges, plus skews either straight or radiused, are sharpened quickly, easily and precisely the same every time. Tormek provides not only the best equipment for the job, but also the best training. The TNT instruction box has a fully indexed 83-minute DVD and a complete instruction handbook for easy reference. The boxed set is the most comprehensive guide to sharpening turning tools on the market. It is available individually or as part of the TNT 708 wood turners kit. The TNT sharpening system means the sharpest edges, the cleanest cuts, and the longest tool life. That's how you sharpen less and turn more.